Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm back with another amazing free text animation called Moving Road. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a stunning cinematic text intro using this free text animation in just 1 minute. Let's get started with the tutorial. First, add a default text. Increase the duration of the text. I'm setting it to 6 seconds. Next, choose any bold font style. Now add your text. I'm using multiple lines of text for this example. Go to the animation section. Select Loop Animation. Then search for Moving Road. Once you find it, apply the animation to the text. As you can see, the animation is moving very fast. Increase the animation duration and set it to the maximum value. Now, export the text. After that, remove the text from the timeline. Then, import the exported text video. Add your main video to the timeline. Next, add the text video. My video is shorter than the text video. In that case, simply adjust the duration of the text video so that it matches the length of your main video. Now select the text video. Set the blend mode to multiply. Also, reduce the opacity. I'm setting it to 70%. And that's it. Your cinematic text intro is ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. See you in the next video.